good, everybody? It's Top 5 Vending. Thank you for tuning in to our new video. Today we're going to change MEI Bill Acceptor model 2612. This one here got damaged. We're going to switch it out real quick. It's on a crane model 158. Let's go. Alright, now you got your machine open. You're going to locate your bill acceptor. It's on the left side of your machine. Pull this panel open. There should be a couple of screws. Got one here. There's another one in there that I'll show you in a minute. Go ahead, point it out for you guys, give you a better visual. There, that bad boy. There's another one right there tucked in. Alright, once you got all the bolts removed, pull it out gently from the slot. Still be connected to 2 wires, the MDB cords. Just be careful when you're removing these. These are plastic tabs, they might break easily. 2 hands is best. There we go. Pop them off. One. There's the other one. The other one has a little notch on it that holds it in. Just be careful you don't break it. Alright, next step, once you got it fully removed from the machine, you're going to put it side by side, compare the old one with the new one, just to make sure everything looks the same, everything will fit the same, there's no problems. Just do it once over on your equipment. Now I'm just going to reverse the process. I'm going to put a little nut in this one just to hold it in place while I test it. Whenever you're working on anything electrical, please turn off your power before you do anything to avoid any shocks or any shorts. As you can see in a moment. Alright, turn the power on. Beautiful, 2 lights flashing. It's a good sign, the powers are there. I'm going to test it out. We're in Canada. Got this fake blue money here. Plastic stuff. You see, credit reads $5. It means it's registering with the machine. Now we're going to go check our coin mechanism, make sure we get our change. I might spit it on the ground because I didn't have it closed, but correct change, $5 back. And that's it. That's how you change a bill acceptor for a crane model 158. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like. Any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Thank you. Have a blessed day. We out.